Birds. Birds are the only animals with feathers. They have wings to fly. They have a beak to eat with. They have 2 legs to walk. They lay eggs. The hen lays eggs. We eat these eggs. The crow is a clever bird. The pigeon is a symbol of peace. The duck can swim in water. The swan also can swim in water. The peacock is our national bird. The parrot is a pet bird. It mimics our voice. The sparrow is a small bird. It eats seeds and insects. The eagle flies very high and very fast. These birds cannot fly at all. Ostrich, penguin, kiwi. Birds build nests.